There is no better way than to feel connected to school from home than participating in some fun after school events. Starting today through November 3rd, ask your social studies teacher about our presidential mock election. You could also ask Ms. Silas, who has organized the event. Tomorrow, on Wednesday, is Hocus Pocus movie night from the event planning action team. At 2:30, log on to Zoom and watch the movie Hocus Pocus. It's a great movie, great film if you haven't seen it, and hang out with some other students live from the event planning action team. On Thursday, the Sweet October Halloween Cookies event is taking place, hosted by your cooking action team. Join Mr. Barry in making some sugar cookies. I'm sure they're so delicious, and participating right from home. And last but not least, Friday, student government is hosting Halloween costume contest. Log on to the Zoom link in your decked out, most favorite Halloween costume and compete and win prizes with other students from school. It is so important that we stay connected into the school community during these times. And if you ever need anything, feel free to reach out to myself or Mrs. Edwards. We're here for you too. Have a great week, and hopefully you can get to one of these events and have some fun.